Hello again, I have come with another video where I have written a C program which counts number of digits in a number. Suppose here I have declared a number, integer type number variable. If I put any number here, it will just print nothing but what it will print, how many digits are there in that number. It will be shown in this print function due to this print function. Here it will be shown how many numbers are there, how many digits are there in that number I have given as an user input. So let's get started. So before doing this, let me run the code and check whether it is running or not perfectly. Enter a number. Suppose I am entering one digit number 9. Watch, it contains one digit. Suppose 09. Obviously you think it will give 2. No, it will give me 1. Oh sorry, I have made a mistake. It's an exit control infinite loop that I have done. Suppose 9 and then asking, do you want to continue? If yes, then press Y, else press N. So yes, I want to continue, then yes. Then suppose 09, it will give me 1 only, 1. If it's a simple mathematics what I have defined in a form of code here. There I am going to explain it. If I put 89 again, I'm so sorry, they're asking me for 89, 2, yes, 90, 2, yes, again yes, I want to continue. Suppose bigger digit 7, yes, let's take more bigger digit. So I want to continue, yes. Let's check 10 digit number. Okay, now I want to exit the program, running program. So press no and get out of that exit control infinite loop, which I same mechanism. In my previous video also I have explained what is exit control loop, infinite loop, and how it works and which way we can give condition. Again here also I'm going to explain it. So let's get started. Counting the number of digits in a number. Our main function always starts with header file. .h means the header extension. stdio means standard input output. Standard input output means user can give input also and gets output also. Means input output mechanism means for while iterations, what type of output it can give. Printf function, in which way we can give based on the printf parameters, in which way we can give arguments. This all type of mechanisms and way of syntax are stored in this header file. Then our code always starts with main function. Inside main function only we can run our C code, otherwise not possible. These are the variable declaration. Num means user input number, what I am going to take as an user input, that variable I have declared here. Then I means iteration or counter, or counting. Okay, then character type value for asking user permission, do you want to continue it or not. If yes, then press yes, choice equals to y. If no, then press y, which I have given condition as choice should not be equals to n. That's it. Then if I equals to, then our starts with exit control infinite loop. then here it is an exit control loop or iteration which is infinite for this condition, which is finite based on user choice, based on user's choice. Then printf function which will print in a console, enter a number, then scanf where user can give input in this based on this arguments, based on the arguments, where this is a conversion specifier which can take and stores integer type value only in this through this num function to our CPU memory, where we can store some integer type value. This is address of operator which locates the memory allocated by this num variable which I have declared here. And then initialization, and then here is our actual code. If num is greater than 0, then this initialization I can do it here also, and this incrementation also I can do it in here also. It's your choice. You can do it in splitted line also or in a single line also. It's yours. It's up to you. Then num equals to num divided by 10. I have reinitialization. Let's take an example. Suppose 223. Num divided by num example, then 20 is 23 user input. If during that reinitialization, if when num divides 10, then it's leave quotient. What it leaves as a quotient? 2. Okay, the quotient is 2. Then incrementation, then it incrementation for one time. That one time it happened. When again assign num equals to 2, then num divided by 10 or 2 divided by 10 equals to 0. Quotient it will be stored in that quotient. Quotient, it will be stored in that place, and I plus plus will be for each case 0, first time 0, then plus 1, then again incrementation plus 1 equals to 2 based on our incrementation process. Okay, and then it again checks at that time num or quotient equals to 0, due to which I have which got assigned in that num part, and then terminate the loop. Then here I print how much time it is incremented, means actually counts how many digits are there. For first digit, for first case quotient is 2, then again suppose 233, for first case quotient is 23, first time increment, then quotient is 2 second time, then quotient is 0. Okay, 2 divided by 0 means that. Okay, plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. That's it. Means simply what I am doing is like 233 divided by 10 gives 23. Then 23 divided by 10 gives 2. Then 2 divided by 10 gives me 0 quotient, and now that will be get assigned in this num part. Okay, and each case it gets incremented, and how much time it is incremented means the counting the number of digits, number of times we have divided this number and get it into reduction. With that way I have counted how many digits are